What's going on, YouTube? Here's Donnie again, coming up with another video, but this time we are going to be unboxing CZ. I don't know if you guys can see here. It's a CZ Scorpion EVO pistol, 9mm. Let's go ahead and get started. Full disclosure, this isn't my firearm. It has been lended to me by my brother. He recently purchased this CZ, and before he did anything to it, I wanted to do an unboxing and share with you guys. And I'm actually going to be learning with you guys as I'm opening this box. So here's the whole box, made in Czech Republic. And it's a nice, neat box, pretty much very much the same size as my SP5 actually came in with. It's about the same size, I guess. And let's open that up. So first things first, get this paperwork. So this is just warranty information, I believe. Yeah, and here's your owner's manual, like breakdown of all the parts with naming and everything. So good stuff. And this is function test of the firearm, so it's got all the details. So if you care about this kind of stuff, there you have it. Your firearm should come with one. So let's remove all of this. I don't believe anything else is in there. So this is just a cardboard, and here's the firearm itself. So let's put this let's just take it out and do kind of quick check, make sure everything is good here. So let's remove the magazine. There you go. And make sure the barrel is clear. There's no round in the chamber. It's all clear. The magazine is out. There's nothing in here in the mag well. And we're gonna send it home slowly. This actually has the same charging handle release, just like on my SP5, just on HK. So it's just, you can just slap this and it go out, and the bolt goes home as such. So here's the firearm. Let's put this aside for now and go through what else comes in a box first before we put the box away. So your firearm comes with two 20-round magazines. So this is kind of a drawback in my opinion. I'm pretty sure everybody wished that it would come with at least 30-round magazines, just like most firearms do, but at least you get two of them. And these are polymer CZ made magazines. So I mean, I believe they're good quality. It's all polymer though. I don't see any metal reinforcements or any of that stuff. Yeah, it's all polymer, so no metal. Even the base plate, magazine base plates are actually polymer. So hopefully they're durable enough to last a long time. Anyway, you get two of those 20 rounders, and you also get this pouch. Nice pouch, which I believe should have your cleaning supplies, like cleaning stuff. Yeah, so there you go. You get your brush, bore snake. I believe this is a key to adjust your sights. And one really nice, neat stuff is that pretty much all the parts actually have CZ logo. So, which means these are authentic. So, which is a good stuff. Even the pouch itself has this CZ logo, which is nice. And you get this a little bottle with some oil, some more cleaning brushes, and Allen key and all that good stuff, which is nice. I mean, I wish HK would include something like this, right? And obviously it's got the CZ name. So you get this pouch. You can put this aside, and of course you get your handy dandy a lock, firearm lock. I don't know if you guys use this. And that's about it actually. That's what you get. So I removed the whole thing and there's nothing else left in there. Okay, so let's put this aside and let's get back to a firearm and just go over it right quick. Once again, magazines are empty. There's nothing in the magazine. Firearm is all clear. Nothing in the chamber. And there you have it. So let's put this magazine just for the looks. I'll put this one aside. I hope you guys can see it here. Let me just bring it up closer to the camera. So from the back, you have this plate, which does have a QD swivel mount, hole to actually mount your QD swivel if you want to run a sling. You also get these loops here. It does have these sights. Let me show you the sights. There you go. Aperture sights. You can flip them to your preference and the distance that you're shooting at. These are also made by CZ. Good touch. It's got CZ logo. Here's the grip. Safety lever. A little rough, but it's not bad. So, and this is your release for bolt release, catch and release, I'm assuming. I haven't shot it yet. I mean, we haven't actually shot it. He hasn't shot it himself either, so my brother. So this is literally first time unboxing this pistol. And this is your magazine release panel. So there you go. You do have another loop here. Here's your charging handle, your front sights. You do get these Picatinny rails, 1913 rails in 9 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and of course 6 o'clock positions. And you get this hand stop here, which is adjustable in a way you can move it back or forward to your preference, which also comes with the gun and the flash hider. So this is the left side. Now let's flip her over and see what else is on this side. So same thing, you get these loops here, 2 of them, so that makes it already ambidextrous. So the safety lever, magazine release. The only thing it's missing on this side is the bolt catch release, or the charging handle, right? Yep. So the bolt catch release is here. This is the only thing that's not ambidextrous and which cannot be flipped, as far as I see here. However, you can flip the charging handle though. This can be flipped to the other side, and for the most part it makes it 95% ambidextrous. And so there you have it. I mean, like I said, the only thing that cannot be swapped to the other side is this a release, bolt release pedal here. And other than that, you got pretty much everything on both sides, including the charging handle that can be swapped to the right side for left-hand shooters. Now, overall impressions. So a lot of the things are actually polymer, which makes it lighter for obvious reasons to carry. And once you start accessorizing, for instance, adding optic or like a flashlight and whatnot, it's gonna start gaining some weight. So to cut on all of that, a lot of the pieces are actually parts are polymer here, plastic, and also it also helps the manufacturer to keep the prices actually down, the cost of the firearm. So here is the flash hider, or the muzzle device, if you will. The weight wise, let's measure it. Weight wise, as you can see on the picture, it came up to be exactly 5 pounds and 21 ounces with the empty magazine with 20 rounder. Let's quickly check the trigger. So once again, it's all clear. There's nothing in the chamber. I'm gonna release the magazine, which is also empty. There's nothing in chamber. Send the bolt home. So let me do it this way. Let me bring it up a little closer. I pull the trigger. Oh boy. Super heavy trigger. See that reset? No, I mean, it's okay. It's not too much of a travel there, but it's a heavy pull though. Once again. There you go. Yeah, trigger isn't the greatest, that's for sure, as you can see. And when measured, it came up to be solid 7-pound trigger pull. This is what we have with the trigger, and let's move on. Overall, it's pretty decent. So ergonomics, I think the grip actually is a little bit too diagonal, I guess, if you will. Kind of sits okay on the wrist, on my hand, but I kind of wish it was a little more vertical, I guess, in my opinion, because I don't know, in a long term, like if you're using it for extensive amount of time, this may kind of start making your wrist get tired a little quicker than a more natural position, which would be more vertical, in my opinion. But these things can be changed, and I'm pretty sure there are actually other hand grip options out there that can be swapped out. Like I said, this is, I'll be honest, this is my very first time actually holding one of these, so never had any experience with one of these Scorpions before. So although I'm a huge CZ fan, I just never had this, I never actually tried one of these pistols. So this is my very first time, and my first impression, I kind of like it. I mean, it's pretty good, especially for the price point. Sub $1,000 price point for a gun of this quality and from this manufacturer. It's hard to beat, in my opinion, and it's a fun, you know, blowback operated a small pistol caliber carabine. It's these things are fun. So that's all I can say. I mean, coming back, you know, coming from my SP5 experience with my own HK, these things are hella fun to shoot. And they can be used for home defense as well. So it's all about, you know, preference, of course, and what do you want, what do you expect from these things. But for the price point, I don't think it's any brainer, to be honest. Really, there's not much to think about. If you want, I mean, you should definitely get one of these. So yeah, I mean, that's all I have. I hope you guys like this video. We will be accessorizing this as my brother starts to put, you know, more accessories on his Scorpion, and, you know, making some change. I will keep you guys posted. Hopefully I'll make another video on this about this firearm, and show you guys the progress, and maybe get some range footage as well, hopefully. But yeah, I mean, otherwise, this is all I have. Hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel for future content. And thanks for watching. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye.